Today I will show you the activity to test the acidic or basic nature of the given solution. First of all, let us explain you what is the meaning of acids and basics. Acids are the substances which on dissolving in water they give rise to H positive ions. Acids, they are sour in taste. For example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. Acids, they turn blue litmus paper into red. Bases are those substances which on dissolving in water give rise to hydroxide ions. Bases, they are bitter in taste. For example, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Bases, they turn red litmus paper into blue. We have indicators. Indicators are the substances which are used to distinguish the acidic or basic nature of the given solution. Today we are using three types of indicators. Number one, we have blue litmus paper. Second one, we are using red litmus paper. Third one, we are using pH paper. On the pH paper, you can see we have 0 to 5, then 0 to 10 value is given. You can see, dear students, on the pH paper, we have different shades along with the value given to them. Whenever we will dip the pH paper in any given solution, the pH paper will change its color. Then we will match the given solution with whose pH value it is going to be same. So with this help, we can come to know what is the pH of the given solution. Now, the materials required for this activity are forceps, watch glass, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, we have then magnesium hydroxide, then sodium hydroxide, blue litmus paper, red litmus paper and pH paper. Let us start to perform this activity. First, I am taking blue litmus paper. I am going to dip the blue litmus paper in the given solution, that is acidic. Now you can see very clearly that blue litmus paper has been changed into red. It indicates the acidic nature of the given solution. In the same way, we are taking one other blue litmus paper and dipping it in the second one solution. This time also, this blue litmus paper changes into red. It also indicates that this given solution is also acidic in nature. Now, we will dip blue litmus paper in basic nature of the solution. Dear students, you can see there is not any change in the color of blue litmus paper. It shows that in basis, blue litmus paper does not bring any change in it. In the last one solution also, we are going to dip blue litmus solution. There is not any change in the color. It also indicates that blue litmus paper does not change its color in the basic nature of the solution. Now, we will take red litmus paper and dip it in the acidic nature of the solution. Students, you can see in the acidic nature there is no change in the red litmus paper. It indicates that in acids, red litmus paper does not bring any change. Similarly, in the second one acidic nature of the solution, we are going to bring red litmus paper. Again, there is not any change. So, again what we can say that in acidic nature, red litmus paper does not change its color. This time, we are going to dip red litmus paper in basic nature of solution. You can see very clearly red litmus paper has been changed into blue. So what does it indicate? That this solution, it is basic in nature. Similarly, in the last one activity, we have red litmus paper, dipping it again in the basic nature of solution. You can see that blue litmus paper, it brings change into red litmus paper is changing into blue. So what we can conclude, that in acidic nature blue litmus paper is changing into red, but in basic nature red litmus paper has been changed into the blue. Now we will perform the same activity with the help of this pH paper. You can see the color of the pH paper. Now I will dip it in acidic nature. Yes, dear students, you can see the change in the pH paper. It is going to be 0. Shade is matching with the 0. What does it indicate? That the pH value of this given solution is 0. Again we are going to take second one strip of pH paper. Again we are going to dip. Then you can see the change is coming out to be 1. So what does it show? That this pH, this solution has pH value 1. Now in the basic solution we are going to dip the pH paper. You can see so much good change in the pH value is purple blue. It is going to match with this 9 pH. So this solution, it has pH value 9. And in the last one also, we are going to dip the pH paper. You can see so much good change in the pH paper. It is coming out to be 10. So, conclusion. Acids turn blue litmus paper into red. The pH of acids is less than 7. Bases turn red litmus paper into blue. The pH of bases is more than 7. Thank you.